2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. I think 3.7 liter. I'm not sure. Anyways, you got a factory converter up there, secondary converter up there, down here. Then we did a resonator delete in the middle. Then we wanted duals. So what do? We do duals there and there into his factory tip. There and there, like nothing happened. All you get is the sound. There's the resonator we cut off, the intermediate pipe, and the muffler. That's before, and this is after. A lot better, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2.0 turbo. It's not a 3.7. It's a 2.0 turbo. Sorry. Sounds good. I got it. Sound decibels. 102. Go ahead and back it out. You guys can follow his build. What's the name? Jawan Crew on YouTube. Jawan Crew. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Hyundai Genesis Coupe.